This is the fastest land animal on Earth.
But speed is not just about running.
Its body is built purely for speed. But it can only run that fast for a few seconds, because overheating can be deadly. Speed is powerful, but survival matters more. But not every fast animal survives the same way. But on Earth, this isn't the fastest animal.